Hello viewers, today I am going to teach about the topic is metabolism of drug. Here the definition. Drug metabolism is the chemical alteration of drug by the body. So metabolism is nothing but after absorption, then it will gets into the distribution. Then after distribution, the drug must be metabolism process takes place. Here metabolism nothing but is the chemical alteration. The chemical alteration of a drug by the body is known as metabolism. So the chemical alteration means it changes the chemical substance. Some drugs are chemically altered by the body, nothing but metabolized process. So already some drugs are metabolized, chemically altered in our body only. So suppose inactive form of a drug is converted to the active form, or prodrug can be converted to the active form of a drug, is nothing but metabolism of drug, so that they can be eliminated more easily. So which the drug is altered chemically in our body, it is nothing but it can be eliminated very quickly, easily. The metabolic process that involve drugs occur in the liver by the enzymes. So how the metabolism takes place means the metabolism takes place in the liver. So by the enzymes are mainly reason to break down the drugs. Here metabolism have two types, that is anabolism and catabolism. Here anabolism means nothing but the synthesis of the substance, or here the synthesis will be formed in our the body. So catabolism is nothing but if the breakdown, the food particles or a drug break down into the smaller particles, is nothing but anabolism. So two types of the metabolism will takes place. So most of drugs can pass through the liver. For drug metabolism, the metabolizing drugs is via specific group of cytochrome P450 enzymes. So main reason the enzyme is 450 enzyme is mainly for the drug metabolism will takes place, nothing but breakdown into the smaller particles. Here I will show you a diagram. Here in absorption, either the drug or xenobiotics nothing but it is a foreign substance or a drug. When it will be absorption takes place, and then it will get into the distribution. In distribution, it is bind with the transporters. Through the transporters, it will get into the free drug. So free drug in circulation part, circulation means nothing but bloodstream. So free drug with the help of protein compound or a carrier. The free drug is combined with the carrier, nothing but a receptor or a protein bound drug. These are combined and then it will get into the metabolites. So this combination of the drug get into the metabolites, nothing but break down the molecules in liver with the enzyme P450 cytochrome enzyme, and that it metabolites takes place. So the inactive form is converted in the active form. So and it will enters into the kidney, and then it gets into the free drug compound, and in kidney purification will takes place, and then it can be excreted out the waste materials compounds. And if the drug or xenobiotics is absorption will takes place in the tissue or organ. For suppose in tissues or organ, the osmosis and diffusion will takes place through the transporters, the ion exchanges, nothing but influx of sodium molecules or outflux of chloride channels and influx of potassium channels. These are all the transporters will takes place, and then get it into the free drug. Then in free drug it will be binds the protein bound drug. So after this it will get into the metabolites takes place. In metabolites the free drug can be unchanged form. So it is unchanged form in kidney. So it can be excreted out. So through tissue or organ it will be unchanged form. Through circulation it can be change the molecules completely. Metabolism will takes place, and here tissue or organ will unchanged form only. So excreted in some molecules out. So here the complete absorption and bioavailability will takes place in the circulation. So metabolism process will takes place in the liver with the help of the P450 enzyme. Here if the drug inactivation form, inactive or less active form, here propanol, nothing but it is a beta blocker drug, and phenobarbital, it is sedative drug, and morphine, opiate drugs. Active drug convert to the active metabolite. Active metabolites occurs in the liver. So phenacetin converts to the paracetamol. Digitoxin converted into digoxin. Imipramine converted to desipramine. Codeine converted to morphine. So these all are the drugs which is active drug converted to the active metabolite form. So inactive drug, nothing but prodrug, converted to the active drug. Levodopa can be converted into dopamine. So Parkinson's disease, it is a inactive form, is a prodrug. Levodopa is a prodrug, and then it can be converted to the dopamine, and it is easily cross blood-brain barrier. So anapril converted into enalaprilate. Prednisone converted into prednisolone. Bacampicillin converted into ampicillin. This is the antibiotic. This is the Parkinson's disease drug, and it is anapril, nothing but anti-hypersensitive drugs. These are the drugs. Is it converted into the inactive form into active form. So it is easily cross blood-brain barrier. And why the enzyme? The enzyme is cytochrome P450 enzymes role. Cytochrome P450 enzymes play a important role in the synthesis of many molecules, including steroid hormones, nothing but fats, cholesterol and fatty acids. And these acids used to digest fats by the bile cells. So in liver the enzyme is present is P450 enzyme. This is the P450 enzyme is mainly play to convert the or to synthesize the cholesterol or fatty acids, and these the acids used to digest fats bile salts. So for metabolism the P450 enzyme is used to break down the complex molecules to simple molecules. Here why we choose RX in prescription means a medical prescription. The symbol of RX is usually said to stand for Latin word to take or take though. So at the upper left side in prescription we have RX. RX means nothing but take though. Take though means the drugs is given to the patients by the pharmacist. And NRX is nothing but it is a narcotic drugs mainly prescribed by the doctors, and also pharmacists must be maintained with a record to it. So it is a narcotic drugs or opium drugs, nothing. So opium drugs are mostly have maintained a record by the pharmacist. So here I will give you anatomy of the liver. It is the liver, and right lobe and left lobe coronary ligament, and a gallbladder. Here ducts that carry bile from liver. So when the absorption and distribution will take place, the inactive drug or a prodrug is enters into the liver. In liver, the P450 cytochrome will present and bile juice is present. So it metabolite will takes place by the P450 cytochrome. Then it will get into the active form in the liver. So the primary site in the is liver. So other compounds are kidney, intestine, lungs and plasma. These all are the either sites metabolism will takes place. So this is the metabolism of drugs part 1. I will continue the next class. Thank you.